In this video, I have covered the solutions of question number 2 from exercise 2.3 of class 10th NCERT maths book, and the chapter is polynomials. This is the question which I have selected for the solution. Under this question, the writer is asking for check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. तो देखिए इसमें 3 पार्ट्स हैं और इसमें दो इक्वेशंस दिए हुए हैं, यानी दो पॉलिनोमियल दिए हैं। जो बाद वाला है वो डिविडेंड है और जो फर्स्ट वाला है वो डिवाइज़र है। तो डिविडेंड को डिवाइज़र से हम डिवाइड करके देखेंगे। अगर ये फुल्ली डिवाइड हो जाएगा, इफ़ द रिमाइंडर इज़ 0, देन द फर्स्ट पार्ट दैट इज़ डिवाइज़र विल बी ए फैक्टर ऑफ द डिविडेंड। This is the first part of the question, and in this part the dividend is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. The other equation that we are treating as divisor is t square minus 3. तो देखिए यही वो पॉलिनोमियल है जिसको हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि ये दूसरे पॉलिनोमियल यानी जिसे हमने डिविडेंड लिया है उसका फैक्टर है या नहीं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिवाइड द हाईएस्ट टर्म of the dividend, that is 2t to the power 4, by the highest term of the divisor, that is t square, and the result will be 2t square. That will be the quotient. Now we will multiply the divisor t square minus 3 by 2t square, and we will put the values below the dividend. When we multiply t square by 2t square, we get 2t to the power 4, which will be put under 2t to the power 4. And when we multiply minus 3 by 2t square, the result will be minus 6t square, which will be put under minus 2t2 square. Now change the signs of the lower line because we have to subtract these figures. 2t to the power 4 will be cancelled by minus 2t to the power 4. 3t cube will be taken down, and the difference of the plus 6t square and minus 2t square is 4t square. That will be written in the next line. Minus 9t will be written in the next line, and minus 12 will be written down in the next line. Now the highest term is 3t cube. We will divide 3t cube by t square, the highest term of the divisor. The result will be 3t. That will be taken in the quotient column. Now we will multiply the divisor t square minus 3 by 3t. When we multiply t square by 3t, we get 3t cube, which will be written under 3t cube. And when we multiply minus 3 by 3t, we will get minus 90. That will be written under minus 90. Now we will change the signs of the lower line. Therefore 3t cube will be cancelled by minus 3t cube, and minus 90 will be cancelled by plus 90, and 4t square will be brought down, and minus 12 will be brought down. Now the highest term is 4t square, which will be divided by t square, the highest term of the divisor. We get 4, which will be written in the quotient column. Now we will multiply the divisor t square minus 3 by 4. So when we multiply t square by 4, we get 4t square, and when we multiply minus 3 by 4, we get minus 12. Now we change the signs of the lower line. So 4t square will be cancelled by minus 4t square, and minus 12 will be cancelled by plus 12. So the remainder will be 0. Because remainder is 0, therefore t square minus 3 is a factor of t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. तो देखिए बेसिकली इस क्वेश्चन में हमें यही करना था कि जो सेकंड इक्वेशन दिया था या सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल दिया था उसको फर्स्ट वाले से डिवाइड करना था. डिवाइड करके देखने पे अगर रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो आता तो उसका फैक्टर होगा, अगर ज़ीरो नहीं आएगा तो फैक्टर नहीं होगा. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ज़ीरो आ गया इसलिए ये इसका फैक्टर है. यानी टी स्क्वायर माइनस 3 इज़ ए फैक्टर ऑफ t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. This is the second part. In this part, the second polynomial that we will treat as dividend is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. And the first polynomial which we will treat as divisor is x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will divide the highest term of the dividend, that is 3x to the power 4 by x square. That is the highest term of the divisor. When we divide, we get 3x square. This term will be kept in the quotient column. Now we will multiply the divisor x square plus 3x plus 1 by 3x square. So when we multiply x square by 3x square, we get 3x to the power 4 that will be written under 3x to the power 4. And when we multiply 3x by 3x square, we get 9x cube which will be written under 5x cube. And when we multiply 1 by 3x square, we will get plus 3x square, which will be kept under minus 7x square. Now you will change the signs of the lower line. The difference of minus 9x cube and plus 5x cube, that is minus 4x cube, will be written in the next line, and the addition of minus 7x square minus 3x square, that is minus 10 square, will be written in the next line. 2x will be brought down and 2 will be brought down. Now the highest term of the polynomial is minus 4x cube, and the highest term of the divisor is x square. So we will divide minus 4x cube by x square. We will get minus 4x that will be kept in the quotient column. Now we will multiply the divisor x square plus 3x plus 1 by minus 4x. When we multiply x square by minus 4x, we get minus 4x cube that will be written under minus 4x cube. And when we multiply plus 3x by minus 4x, we get minus 12x square which will be written under minus 10x square. And when we multiply 1 by minus 4x, we will get minus 4x which will be written under plus 2x. Now we will change the signs of the lower line. Now minus 4x cube will be cancelled by plus 4x cube, and the difference of plus 12x square minus 10x square, that is 2x, will be brought down. And the sum of 2x and 4x will be brought down in the next line, and we'll bring down 2 in the next line. Now the highest term of the polynomial, that is 2x square, will be divided by x square, which is the highest term of the divisor. We get 2 in the result, which will be kept in the quotient column. Now we will multiply the divisor x square plus 3x plus 1 by the quotient plus 2. So when we multiply x square by 2, we get 2x square which will be written under plus 2x square, and when we multiply plus 3x by 2, we get 6x which will be written under 6x. and when we multiply 1 by 2, we get 2, which will be written under plus 2. Now when we change the sign of the lower line, 2x square will be cancelled by minus 2x square, 6x will be cancelled by minus 6x, and 2 will be cancelled by minus 2. Therefore, we get 0 as remainder. Because remainder is 0, therefore x cube plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. In the third part, the second polynomial which we will treat as dividend is x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. The first polynomial which we will treat as divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now you will divide the highest term of the dividend x to the power 5 by the highest term of the divisor x cube. So the result will be x square, which will be kept in the quotient column. Now you will multiply the divisor x cube minus 3x plus 1 by x square. When we multiply x cube by x square, we get x to the power 5, which will be written under x to the power 5, and when we multiply minus 3x by x square, we get minus 3x cube, which will be written under minus 4x cube, and when we multiply 1 by x square, we get x square, which will be written under x square. Now we will change the signs of the lower line. Therefore, x to the power 5 will be cancelled by minus x to the power 5, and the difference of minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, that is minus x cube, will be written in the next line. X square will be cancelled by minus x square, and 3x will be brought down in the next line, and 1 will be brought down in the next line. Now the highest term of the polynomial is minus x cube, that will be divided by x cube, that is the highest term of the divisor. So the result will be minus 1, that will be written in the quotient column. Now you will multiply the divisor x cube minus 3x plus 1 by minus 1. When we multiply x cube by minus 1, we get minus x cube, that will be written under minus x cube, and when we multiply minus 3x by minus 1, we get plus 3x, that will be written under plus 3x, and when we multiply 1 by minus 1, we get minus 1, that will be written under plus 1. Now we will change the signs of the lower line. So when we change the signs, minus x cube will be cancelled by plus x cube, plus 3x will be cancelled by minus 3x, and sum of 1 plus 1 will be 2, that will be written in the next line. Now, because remainder is 2, that is, it is not 0. Hence, x cube minus 3x plus 1 will not be a factor of the equation x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. तो देखिए यहाँ पे केस डिफरेंट है. पहले दो केसेस में 0 आया था रिमाइंडर, यहाँ प्लस 2 आया है. तो चूंकि यहाँ पे 0 नहीं है, इसलिए x क्यूब माइनस 3x प्लस 1 जो है ये दूसरे पॉलिनोमियल यानी x टू द पावर 5 माइनस 4x क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 का फैक्टर नहीं होगा. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you liked the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get further information about our coming videos. Thank you.